Rilmasani. How do you do? I'm excited for Well-Being and Wellness Month and Meditation Month. So today you'll be following me on a facial, a Gua Sha, modern version of the Chinese medicine facial. It's really amazing. And as I prepare for my Couture Academy's annual fashion show, finally back after the pandemic, so I'm really excited, and join me. I'm a spa pirate.
Make sure that you have a serum on your skin, a good amount that the pore definitely glists off through the skin. If you want to use a serum, then it has to be a nice oily moisturizer. With us, we have the blend. Right now we're using the luxurious oil facial. So you want to definitely place it into the skin, and then you want to start from movements to here, always going into the hairline. And then you start from here. You want to do a nice whoosh underneath, or you can really go into like this. I already did the service. I'm not going to do it 2 more times, because if we do that, it turns into body wash on. So you would go placement like this. You can see how it's not glistening when it's closer. Then you want to go like this, pressure 3, going in from here, and then we would bring it down to the line right here for the lymphatic drainage. For example, if for anti-aging we have the jade, so we would focus more into the 11s or the expression marks. We would do these 2 types of movements, and then we would flat iron it. The amethyst.
Could you show a little bit of what you did with how you got rid of my expression line?
Yeah, I could show you. I'll use the jade. So you want to do definitely circular movements like this, at least 6 times. And then after you do that, you would like to have to flat iron like this. Flat iron, or upwards. Especially if you would have a blemish that has a bit of like pus inside of it. You do not want to go over it. You want to hold it. Pretend this is the acne, the blemish. You hold it and you do this 11 times. Like a little ray around it. That will help to expand. How did you love the Gua Sha facial with Visage?
Amazing.
You'll definitely have to come back, and we could do a longer video if you like.
Thank you.
And as well with Gua Sha facial has been around for at least 2,500 years. With this, it was originated in China, and as well with other countries, it was a different type of mechanism that they were using. But with Gua Sha, you definitely has 2 types with the face Gua Sha and body Gua Sha, which is different type of mechanism as well. And with Gua Sha, there's 3 types of quartz. There's the jade, amethyst, and the rose. And as well, when you do a facial with Visage, we give you as a gift a nice quartz, which is lovely.
Thank you.
My pleasure, hon. I'll fix that up all up for you. I hope you have a beautiful day.
Thank you.
My pleasure, hon.
I don't wanna fall for you, oh no. But you make it so hard. Watching you dance all night, baby. making me fall hard. Trying to take a deep breath, but I just can't control my lungs. Ooh. Trying to hide my cold sweat, but I just keep on talking in tongues. It's a funny situation that I got myself into. I can help my own frustration, 'cause I think, yeah, I think I like it. I think I like it. Got nothing to lose. 'Cause I think I like it. Tell me if you like me too. How can you move the way you do? It's making me crazy, yeah. You're moving just like you own the room. Make it look easy. I wanna take you away to somewhere we can be by ourselves. I see you looking my way, so maybe it's not all in my head. It's a funny situation that I got myself into. I can help my own frustration, 'cause I think, yeah, I think I like it. I think I like it.